Welcome back. Now news from sports. Today in our final part of Goa's Ranji season roundup, we take a look at Goa's top run scorers and wicket takers of this season. The season might have been disappointing like the last one, but the youngsters performing well was a kernel of hope for the Goan cricket team. Here is part 2 of our Ranji Roundup 2010-2011.
Jakati is a very integral part of the Goan cricket team. He has been very consistent with the ball and in this season proved his all-round skills as Goa's tail wagged thanks a lot to Jakati's efforts. The Vasco-based lad was the top wicket taker for Goa this season with 21 wickets.
I'm happy with my performance. I've bowled really well. I've been bowling well in the nets before the start of the season and those practice matches and all. And it was just a matter of picking some big haul and then just to boost my confidence. And I bowled well actually, and I bowled well in the first 2 games as well, but I didn't pick many wickets. But the game against Jharkhand here, obviously I got 10 wickets and the confidence level was different.
Here's a look at the top 3 wicket takers. Nothing impressive apart from Shadab's performance. Saurabh Bandekar and Robin, however, were not that successful as expected with the new ball. Shadab Jakati scored 225 runs in the 5 matches he played and was the best all-rounder for Goa as well.
I've been working hard on my batting as well. I've been getting runs in the past also, but I had this season in my mind.
Shooting into fame way back in 2002, Ajay Ratra played a good season and proved to be a massive run accumulator this season for Goa with a total of 423 runs in 5 matches.
A double century this season by you, was that special?
Yeah, that's my first double hundred in my first class career, so that was really, being a senior member of the team and I'm professional over here, so that's my responsibility to tackle the pressure and try to get out of the pressure with some caution and some attacking shots as well.
Here's a look now at the top 3 run getters for Goa this season. Ratra bettering his domestic career average by almost double. Regan Pinto's back-to-back tons meant that he had a great season this year with a staggering average of 82.50 runs, the best average compared to all Goan batsmen.
There are some positives to be taken from this year. We had some really good performance from the youngsters, Regan, Kenny, Vaibhav. They have really scored.
Playing very well this season. Performance is really coming up, like Regan back-to-back centuries. So talent is there, just we need to groom them.
There is some hope that Goa pack in their bags before they get a chance next season to prove their mettle. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fallari from Porvorim.
Goa no doubt has started producing quality top-class cricketers. GCA President Dayanand Narvekar informed that the first stage of construction of the International Cricket Stadium at Thivi has got underway. Hereafter, the work will be carried forward in phases. Narvekar has guaranteed that the ground will be ready by May 2011 if all things go smoothly, and the first international match will be played in December 2013. Narvekar also informed that there has been no agitation from the people at Thivi.
Narvekar was happy to inform media about the recent developments in Thivi.
We'll start the work in stages. Accordingly, the tree cutting permission has been obtained about 4 days back, and all the trees in 90,000 square meter of land amounting to 125 trees has been felled. Yeah, in 90,000 square meter. This is excluding forest area which we have not touched as per the undertaking given to the High Court. Excluding forest area. Where we have given undertaking to the High Court that unless we get environmental clearance from central government, we will not touch the forest area.
Narvekar was confident about the ground and stadium completion.
Yeah, if the way it is going on, I can promise you stadium in 2 years' time, 101%. Not only that, I will play the first match there in December hopefully by 2013. See, for stadium I require ground first. We are promising you, if everything goes on well, by May end your ground will be ready. Your matches for the next season will be played there. 101%.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with Regino D'Souza from Porvorim.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.